Hello, I'm John the Fish and welcome to the Marketplace News. Our first add-on this month is Video Lightbox II by M. Locati. This is a pop-up video player which supports a number of different sources and formats and is designed to provide an upgrade path from a similarly named add-on from version 8. Video Lightbox 2 is free in the marketplace. The rest of this month's news is all by long-term developer Fabian Bitter. First, with the free add-ons, we have Temporary Redirect attribute, which adds a temporary redirect to a page. Free again is Horizontal Scroll Gallery. This displays a gallery of images which scroll horizontally linked to the scrolling of the page. Now we have another free gallery. This is Masonry Gallery, and it's a masonry template for the core image gallery. Now we're on to the paid add-ons, and this starts with Masonry Grid. This is another masonry display, but this time it's a complete block with more options over how the masonry is displayed and arranged. Masonry Grid is $25 in the marketplace. Also for $25 we have Panorama Viewer. This takes a JPEG or other image that wraps round into a 360-degree panorama and enables you to scroll round it in the display. Still at $25, Fabian's next add-on is Glossary List. This block builds a list of pages in a glossary style with an alphabetical index. Now we have Uploader Dropzone attribute. This takes the familiar Dropzone Uploader dialog and attaches it to a concrete attribute, so you can upload files from anywhere you could add an attribute. Dropzone attributes is $35 in the marketplace. That's all from me, so I'll pass you over to Noor for the rest of this month's news.
Thank you, John. Hello, beautiful people. First, a word of apology as I have the flu and my voice might not sound as sexy as usual. Since AI can't do justice to my exquisite French accent, I'm still going to have to do it myself. Anywho, back to Fabian's humongous list of new packages. Let's start with ProgressBar, a simple block to show a progress bar on your page. You know those bars you can use to show your skills in different stuff like PHP 85%, JavaScript 15%? Easy to set up and they'll animate as they scroll into view. ProgressBar is $25. Then we have Simple Tables, another simple block. Add a table to any page, add columns with labels, enter your data like you would in Excel, and voila, table. Quick and easy for $25 in the marketplace. Moving on to Floating Action Menu, this lets you add a floating button to your website using any image or text. The button is meant to link to a page on the website. One good thing about this package is you can define a different button for each language in a multi-language website. This one is also $25. Next is Team Member, and I'm starting to see a pattern of very clearly named packages. Add the block to a page, select photo, add a name and position, as well as contact information, and you have a member profile. Social networks and other contact details will include links as needed. And you guessed it, it's $25. Our next package, HTML Beautifier, is meant for developer and agencies who want to make sure their website markup looks neat. Adding blocks from different sources can mean a messy page markup when looking at it in the browser. This package deals with that automatically and formats it for you. It costs $25 in the marketplace. Then we have Counter, as simple as it gets. Add the block, select the target number, scroll to the block, the counter is animated until it reaches the target number. And you can have more than one counter per page, and it is also $25. And finally, we have Compare Images. Select two images you want to compare, add the block to the page, and that's it. The user will be able to drag a handle to reveal more or less of each image to see them side by side and compare. And it is, again, $25, as Mr. Shatner would say. Well, friends, thank you again for following our adventures. Be safe, and until next month.